Okay, here we have the original design. As was intended, with the loose type bearings that spin like freely. So as you can see, this side's spinning okay, but occasionally it locks up. Then if we look at this side, it's not even spinning at all. And if we try to spin, that's what we get. Now, if we take those same bearings and put it into the frame I designed, and on this side you can see it's spinning, on this side it's spinning. And if we however, I soon discovered that if we take these and just cut those tabs off, so let me just do that real quick. Now you can see the tab's gone. Just cut it off with a X-Acto knife. And then we put those into the original design. We already know my design spins freely no matter what. So if we put those into the original design, so hopefully like that, and then we take our filament roll. Oh, this one's still not rolling quite as good, but still. But there you go, it rolls a whole lot better. Maybe better enough that you don't need to print my design. Let me just throw those back in again. And so now this is my design without tabs. It just rolls a little bit nicer, but not. I would have never gone down this path had the original rolled as well as it does without tabs. So there we go.